Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you all don't know me, hi, my name is Tanupriya and I am a content creator. I help you to grow with your journey. So it's been a long since I've recorded for YouTube and I think it's high time to just open my camera and record it on YouTube as well, because after all, for me consistency plays a very vital role. So yeah, as you can see the title, it's for the beginners who are willing to start their content creation journey but are afraid to start. So I have just decided to cover some points for them. Before that, I just want to let you guys know that since I have joined the office, so I am a bit busy with my work schedules and everything. So I am not getting time to record, especially for YouTube, because YouTube takes a lot of time, the editing part, the recording part, and all of the things. So, but I am still trying to show up, still trying to do it slowly, but yeah, I am just doing it. So I have decided ki I will be more consistent on YouTube, especially on weekends, maybe Saturdays and Sundays when it's off. So I will make sure to give more time to YouTube and shoot more. Also, second thing that on Instagram and LinkedIn I am quite consistent, and I have taken a challenge of 365 days, which is going quite well. And yeah, that's all. So now coming back to the topic, as you can see the title, that I will help content creators who are willing to start their content but are afraid of certain questions. So I'll help them to understand those questions and overcome that and start their content creation journey. So okay, now what happens is, when you are given a chance to start content creation and you are willing to post it digitally, you get a lot of questions that what if people will judge, what if, in all of those questions. So I will be discussing each questions, and I have three questions with me as of now, which I thought to discuss with you guys, because that's the most important thing which any fresher or any beginner who wants to start the content creation face that. So yeah, very first question is how to decide your niche. See, for this, what I'll personally suggest you ki starting with, there is no as such niche. Or either way you can do it, something like you can just do one thing ki just understand what is your interest, कि आपका इंटरेस्ट है क्या. Be it mentoring others, be it gym videos, be it running videos, be it cooking, be it art, be it dancing videos. There are a lot of things so every person has different interest. So just decide your interest. For example, let's say you have an interest in gym, making gym videos, and you're very consistent, you're going to gym, but you do not show up digitally, which you want to. So what you'll do is कि you will just make a video on gym and you will post it every day. So that's how you start posting. And जब आप 10 to 15 videos post कर लोगे, then you will understand कि what and how do you actually want to frame it. And that's on you कि जब आपने 10 वीडियो बना ली, then you will be very sure about कि अब आगे will you want to continue with gym videos, और या तो you want to switch it with another thing. Let's say for me, मैंने start किया था from guiding others and all that thing, ठीक है, LinkedIn videos बनाती थी and all that, like professional career oriented. बट ग्रेजुअली आई नोटिस कि कंटेंट में थोड़ा मिक्स होना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमारी जो एक ऑडियंस होती है वो शिफ्ट हो जाती है, like who cannot relate, they usually get shift to other people, या other content you can say. So you have to understand your niche, and even if you don't have niche in starting, that's completely okay, because that's not important to, it's not important to have niche, right? So yeah, start with something and gradually you will understand कि video कैसे frame करना है. You can make random trending reels, you can make your any type of reel will work. Now coming to second question, which is what about the engagement part for as a beginner. Okay, so जब हम starting में we start posting digitally, तो लोग नहीं engage करते, which is quite fine. They don't know you, so how do you expect कि they should engage on your post? Like if someone has no idea about what you are giving to others, what you are trying to make content on, so how do you expect them to engage, right? So it's fine if you do not have engagement in the starting, but also I would suggest ki while posting, be very sure about to attract the target audience, which is very important. Like uh, target audience को टारगेट करना इज़ वे टू इम्पॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज अगर हम लाइक फॉर मी एज इट इज़ कि आई एम पोस्टिंग अबाउट कॉन्टेंट अबाउट अर्ली स्टेज पीपल हु हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड देयर करियर एंड दे हैव नो बडी अराउंड देम टू गाइड, तो उनके लिए आई एम पोस्टिंग नाउ आई विल टारगेट कॉलेज फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स, स्कूल के बच्चे, एंड आई विल टारगेट like very fresher who is applying or looking for a job internship, so I'll target them because that is my niche, okay? That are my target audience. So yeah, target audience, having a target audience is very important, but initially you can just ask your friends to like, comment your post, you can send them personally, and that's how you get reach. एक कोई reel viral होती है and you just start attracting followers, right? Which is quite not easy, but yeah, it's also not impossible. Now coming to the third question, which is quite common and is one of the most personal question, because yeah, when I was also in that phase around during June 2025 maybe, I had the same feeling, same thought that what if people will judge you, which is quite common question, because yeah, they do judge, because obviously they do judge on the basis of how you speak, on the basis of how you look in the video, on the basis of how you have scripted the video, on the basis of how you have edited the video, and a lot of things. But there are also people who will support you even you have done when you have done nothing, right? When you have just clicked your picture and you have just posted it, they'll support that picture too. So there are people and there are different type of people also. All you have to do is just ignore the people who are spreading negativity on your video and just focus on the people who are trying to be who are trying to support you or who are actually supporting you, and that's how your account will grow initially. Judgment का तो part आता ही नहीं है, because there is no point. Even if they are judging, that's fine, because that's how they are, because they have no work, they have nothing to do, so they are judging, right? So it's fine. Initially you can start and फिर धीरे धीरे you will just go. Now the last question is how to cover the editing part. Yeah, absolutely. Now the editing part is the most important thing while posting a video, and I feel personally कि यार अगर वीडियो अच्छे से edited है तो you will get engagement. This is my personal thought. So but initially you don't have any editor with you, you cannot hire anyone, you cannot pay, but also you are not good at editing, तो अब क्या करो? In this case, what you have to do is initially thoda learn editing from Canva, from InShot, from VN. Thoda bahut just merge videos, add captions to it, just learn it thoda bahut, and gradually you will learn it, right? And you will understand how editing actually plays. Even if you don't learn it, it's quite fine, because obviously it's fine, because not everyone has to do that, right? It's fine. You initially post whatever you can and however you can. You don't have to think about editing, about scripting, about documenting it, about adding captions and all of those things, because if you will think na, but there are people I have literally seen them कि उन्हें 100% हर चीज़ बहुत perfect चाहिए होती है, which is quite wrong, because if you will think कि यार हर चीज़ perfect होनी चाहिए, that is not possible. I feel like initially it is not. ठीक है, gradually it is possible. Yeah, so what I am trying to tell you is कि initially don't think a lot about starting content creation. Don't think about editing, scripting, documenting it, adding caption to it, and all of those things. Just post it. If you have people, supportive people around you, just send them and ask about like review, can you please suggest something or all that. But initially do not overthink and just post it, because that's how you grow, right? And if you will think यार नहीं अच्छी लग रही है, let's not post it, your channel will never grow if you'll think all this. So it's fine if you are not good at editing, if you feel like you don't have any niche or anything like that. It's totally fine, because initially nobody has. So yeah, that's all. That's the end of the video. And I think I have covered the major points, right? So yeah, also quick update again. I will try to be very active on YouTube as well, because it takes time actually, right? To do a lot of things, it takes time. And I'm pretty sure the next video gonna be live maybe on Saturday. But I'll try my best to shoot again and just show up again to you with you guys. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you're having good day, right? Bye.